Episode 4, Subtraction of Dissimilar Fractions and Mixed Numbers. It has two parts. Part 1, Fractions, and Part 2, Mixed Numbers. Example number 1, 1/2 minus 1/3 equals fraction minus fraction. So, ganyan po ang style ko sa pagtuturo. Dahil may dalawang fractions tayo, ilalagay lang natin sila and we will leave them blank. So, start natin. Yung una kong technique na tinuro, yung butterfly method. So, multiply the denominators. So, 2 times 3, we have 6. Then, cross-multiply numerator times the denominator. 1 times 3 equals 3. Then, 2 times 1 equals 2. Then, gaya ng naituro na natin, so we have the same denominators or similar fractions, so kokopyahin lang natin siya. So, we have 6. Then, 3 minus 2 equals 1. So, that is our final answer. Example number 2. 3/5 minus 6/10. So, we have fraction minus fraction. So, next naman example natin ay yung dun sa tinuro ko pang technique, yung multiples or yung mag-skip counting tayo ng mga denominators. So, we have sa 5, 5, 10. And then sa 10, we have 10. Ni-stop na natin ang skip counting kasi meron na tayong least common multiple. So, yan ang magiging denominator natin. Then, gaya ng tinuro kong technique, yung 5, pangalawa yung 10, so i-multiply natin siya sa numerator na 3. So, 3 times 2 equals 6. Then, yung pangalawa, pang-una lang siya, so times 1 lang yung pangalawang numerator. So, 6 times 1 equals 6. So, again, kung makikita ninyo, 0 na ang magiging sagot dyan. Pero, para ipakita yung dati nating process, ayan, so copy the denominator, then 6 minus 6 equals 0. Since 0 na ang numerator, ang answer na natin ay 0. So, that is our final answer. Example number 1 po sa part 2, mixed numbers, 8 and 3/4 minus 1/3. So, we have 8 fraction minus fraction. Again po, ganyan po ang tinuturo ko para mas madaling masolve ng mga students. So, butterfly method ulit tayo. 4 times 3 equals 12. Then, 3 times 3 equals 9. Then, 4 times 1 equals 4. Then, we will just subtract first the fractions. So, we have the same denominators or similar fractions. We have 12 as the denominator. Then 9 minus 4 equals 5. Then 8, the whole number. So, walang whole number si 4/12. So, we will just copy that. So, 8 and 5/12 is our final answer. Example number 2, 7 and 2/5 minus 4 and 1/7. So, ganito po ulit, 7 fraction minus 4 fraction. So, una po, kinokopya natin yung whole numbers. Ano po? Then, 5 times 7 equals 35. Then, 2 times 7 equals 14. And 5 times 1 equals 5. So, again, unahin po natin isubtract ang fractions. So, 35 we will copy. Then, 14 minus 5 equals 9. Then, the whole numbers, 7 minus 4 equals 3. So, ito na po yung ating final answer. So, regarding po sa lowest terms, meron na po tayong video tutorial dyan. And example number 3, 6 and 1/9 minus 1 and 5/7. So, we have 6 fraction minus 1 fraction. Then, again, butterfly method. 9 times 7 equals 63. 1 times 7 equals 7. And 9 times 5 equals 45. So, as we can see, we will subtract first the fractions. Pero, pwede po ba yan? No. So, we will rename the first fraction or the first mixed number o yung minwind natin. So, 6 and 7 63rds minus 1 and 45 63rds. So, hindi nga pwede. Manghihiram siya or magre-rename tayo. So, 6 will become 5. Then, gaya ng tinuro ko na dati, yung shorter technique, 7 plus 63 equals 70 63rds. Then, minus 1 and 45 63rds. So again, we have the same denominators, 63. 70 minus 45 equals 25. Then 5 minus 1 equals 4. So that is our final answer. So yun lang. Thank you and God bless.